Hey everyone, I'm really glad you're here again. In my previous video, we talked about how social media quietly influences our lives. And today, I'll show you how to use it in a way that helps build your future instead of stealing your time. I'm not asking you to stop using YouTube. I'm not asking you to delete Facebook. Technology isn't the problem. Using it without purpose is. Before opening any social media app or YouTube, ask yourself one question. Why am I opening this app? If the answer is boredom, leave it. If the answer is learning, continue. Use your phone to learn AI, not just trends. Improve your English. Communication changes lives. Learn video editing, graphic design, coding, digital marketing. All these things are available on your fingertips. You just need to use your phone for real cause. Because nobody becomes successful by scrolling. People become successful by building skills. 1 hour less scrolling can give hour more learning. The algorithm follows your behavior. Teach it what you want. Train your body. Train your mind. Surround yourself with people who discuss ideas, not just circulating useless reels. Remember, everything which appears on internet is not real. Your village cannot stop your dreams. Only your excuses can. Whether you live in Dumariyaganj or any rural town, whether your financial situation is difficult or you come from a poor family, the internet gives everyone opportunity. Now the real question is, are you willing to take advantage of that opportunity? Because your daily habits will decide your future. Social media was never created to replace your real life. It was created to connect people, share ideas, and spread knowledge. When you use it with purpose, it becomes one of the most powerful tools you can ever have. Use social media as a tool. Never let it become your master.
Your future is not written by Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat. It's not written by algorithms. Every decision you make today,
every book you read, every hour you invest in yourself, those are the things that will shape your future. Your future is written by your daily choices. Thank you for spending these few minutes with me. I truly hope this video made you think differently about social media. This was only the beginning. In part 3, we'll discover how artificial intelligence is creating opportunities that were impossible just a few years ago, and how students from Dumariyaganj, Basti, Siddharth Nagar, and every rural town can use AI to build skills, find opportunities, and compete with the world. Take care of your attention, cause your attention shapes your future. Your phone is either a tool or a trap. You decide what it becomes. See you in next video.